Today we're going to continue talking about the physical properties of matter. Remember, matter can be described using either physical properties or chemical properties. The physical properties, and this is already in your notes, the physical properties are those that we can study without actually changing the matter. We can study the shape, size, color of something without changing what it is, right? And yesterday or the other day, we talked about um, looking at these observable properties, those things that we observe with our senses, and we want to use only objective descriptions, right, as opposed to subjective descriptions. So we've already talked about these, the shape, the color, the texture, the flexibility, and we can study those just by using our senses, right, our sense of smell, our sense. However, not all properties can be observed with our senses. Sometimes they need to be measured. We need a tool to be able to observe those. So today we're going to continue talking about physical properties, but instead of talking about those observable properties that we've been talking about up until now, we're going to start talking about some measurable properties. These are properties that can only be observed with tools like weight, size, magnetism, electrical conductivity. We can only determine these things with a tool, right? We can only tell the weight of something with a scale. We can only tell the size of something with a ruler. We need a magnet to determine magnetism, and we need some electrical current to determine whether or not something has electrical conductivity. All right, so go ahead and copy this chart into your notebook. Number two, copy this chart into your notebook as well. You're going to complete this chart with me in another video coming up. And then number three are just some definitions about electrical conductivity that you should have in your notebook. And you should definitely have this before you watch the electrical conductivity video. So electrical conductivity is basically just how well electricity can flow through matter. A conductor, for example, allows electricity to flow through really easily, like most metals are conductors. And then an insulator, I just realized you can't really see that. An insulator, hold on one second. An insulator, on the other hand, does not allow electricity to flow through, right? So something that stops the electricity is called an insulator. So you'll learn more about this when you watch the electrical conductivity video. So pause this video, copy down your note sheet, and then move on to the next